Welcome back, Ray of All Trades. Most overlooked maintenance item on any Stihl string trimmer, gear head. Let me show you how to do it. 1/2-inch wrench. Pull that nut off. Thread the tube. Thread the tube into the end. Squeeze the tube. Rotate the blade a few times, or the trimmer head, whatever you have. Work that grease around, squeeze a little more. Unthread the tube. Clean off your fill plug. Half-inch wrench and just snug it back up. Will drastically increase the life of your Stihl trimmer, hedge trimmers, everything. That tube is available for purchase most Stihl dealers, Amazon, and other places. Thanks for tuning in, guys.